Welcome to your daily emotional freedom practice, a meditation designed to help you maintain all the beautiful healing work you've done and continue growing in emotional sovereignty every single day. I'm so proud of you for being here, for choosing to make your emotional freedom a daily commitment rather than a one-time event. This meditation is like tending a garden. The seeds of emotional sovereignty, healthy boundaries, and authentic self-worth that you've planted need daily nourishment to fully bloom and stay strong. Let's begin by finding your most comfortable, sustainable position for daily practice. This might be sitting on the edge of your bed in the morning, in your favorite chair with your coffee, or wherever you can realistically return to each day. The key is choosing something you can actually maintain. If closing your eyes supports your practice, please feel free to do so. If it doesn't, simply soften your gaze. You might place one hand on your heart, feeling that steady rhythm that's been with you throughout every step of your emotional sovereignty journey. Take a moment to acknowledge that you're here not because you're broken and need fixing, but because you're committed to living as your most authentic, emotionally free self. This is maintenance for a beautiful life, not repair for a damaged one. Let's start with a gentle, honest check-in with where you are today. This isn't about judgment, it's about awareness and self-compassion. Breathe naturally and ask yourself these questions, just noticing whatever comes up. How is my heart today? Just listen without trying to fix or change anything. What emotions are present right now? Welcome whatever you find with curiosity. Are there any old patterns trying to resurface? Notice without shame. This is normal and expected. What does my emotional sovereignty feel like in this moment? Connect with that inner authority, however strong or quiet it may be today. Inhale. Exhale. Some days you'll feel rock solid in your emotional freedom. Other days, you might notice approval seeking creeping back in, or boundaries feeling shaky, or old family patterns tugging at you. All of this is completely normal. Your emotional sovereignty isn't about perfection. It's about conscious awareness and gentle course correction when needed. Today might be a day for gentle strengthening, or it might be a day for deeper healing. Both are perfect. Now let's connect with the core truths that anchor your emotional sovereignty, the foundational knowing that supports all your growth. I am unconditionally worthy, not because of what I do, but because of who I am. Feel this truth settle into your bones. My worth is not up for debate or dependent on others' opinions. Breathe this certainty into your heart. I have the right to own my feelings, needs, and boundaries. Let this permission flow through you. I can love others deeply while staying true to myself. Feel the balance in this truth. I am responsible for my own emotional state, and others are responsible for theirs. Rest in this healthy separation. Inhale. Exhale. These aren't just pretty words. They are the pillars that support your emotional freedom. Some days they'll feel solid and obvious. Other days you might need to consciously choose to remember them. Both experiences are part of the journey. With each breath, feel these truths not as things you have to believe, but as realities you get to live from. This is who you are now. Someone who knows their worth, honors their needs, and loves authentically. Now let's tend to your boundary garden. Those healthy limits that protect your energy and peace while keeping your heart open to genuine connection. Today, I choose to honor my energy levels and emotional capacity. Feel the self-respect in that choice. I will notice when I'm being asked to carry what isn't mine to carry. Trust your ability to discern this. I can say no with love and yes with joy. Feel the freedom in both options. I protect my peace while staying open to authentic connection. Breathe into this delicate balance. If you will, picture yourself moving through today's interactions with clear, kind boundaries. See yourself saying, "Let me think about that," when you need time to consider a request. See yourself speaking up when something doesn't feel right. See yourself removing yourself from conversations or situations that drain your energy. Notice how these boundaries aren't walls. They're more like the banks of a river that allow love and connection to flow beautifully while preventing floods that would damage your inner landscape. Feel your commitment to maintaining these boundaries, not out of fear or defensiveness, but out of love. Love for yourself, love for your relationships, and love for the authentic connections that become possible when everyone's boundaries are respected. Now let's set your intention for how you want to carry your emotional sovereignty into all of today's interactions and experiences. I will practice taking things less personally today. Feel the lightness this creates. I will remember that others' reactions often say more about them than about me. I will choose curiosity over defensiveness when challenges arise. Feel the growth possible in this choice. I will be gentle with myself if I slip into old patterns. This is how healing happens. Hold yourself with this compassion. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Imagine yourself moving through today as someone who's done the deeper work of emotional healing. You're not perfect, but you're conscious. You're not invulnerable, but you're resilient. You're not without challenges, but you have tools. See yourself in a difficult conversation. Staying centered instead of reactive. See yourself receiving criticism or feedback, able to hear what's useful while protecting your sense of worth. See yourself in family interactions, loving without losing yourself. Picture yourself catching old patterns before they fully take hold. Maybe you notice yourself starting to people please, and you gently redirect toward authenticity. Maybe you catch yourself seeking approval, and you return to your inner validation. This is emotional sovereignty in action. Maybe you catch yourself seeking approval, and you return to your inner validation. This is emotional sovereignty in action. Feel how this conscious living creates space for joy, creativity, authentic relationships, and the full expression of who you truly are. As we close, let's set your intention for maintaining and growing your emotional freedom today. Today, I choose emotional sovereignty over reactivity. Let this anchor in your heart. Today, I choose authenticity over approval seeking. Feel the courage in this choice. Today, I choose self-compassion over self-criticism. Breathe this kindness into every cell. Today, I choose to be the emotionally free person I've been becoming. Feel the power in claiming this identity. Take 3 deep breaths, letting these intentions settle into your body, your heart, your energy field. You're not just thinking these thoughts, you're becoming someone who lives from these truths. Return to your natural breathing now. Carry this with you. I am committed to my emotional freedom, and I have everything I need to live authentically today. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and step into your day as someone who knows their worth, honors their truth, and loves with an open but boundaried heart. Your emotional sovereignty is not a destination. It's a daily practice of choosing love, authenticity, and wisdom over fear, performance, and reactivity. And you're doing it beautifully. This practice is designed to fit into your real life, not create another burden. Use it as an anchor point each day, a few minutes that reminds you who you are and how you want to show up in the world. Some days this practice will feel easy and natural. Other days it might feel like work. Both are perfect. The key is consistency, not perfection. Your emotional freedom grows stronger with daily tending, just like any other valuable practice. From my heart to yours, I hope this daily practice supports you in living as your most authentic, emotionally sovereign self. May it remind you daily that you have everything you need to live freely, love deeply, and be beautifully and perfectly you. Your emotional freedom is a gift to the world. This meditation integrates beautifully with my video, Your Emotional Freedom Maintenance Plan, and serves as the culmination of the entire Emotional Sovereignty Meditation series. You can find the link to your Emotional Freedom Maintenance Plan and the complete Emotional Sovereignty Meditation series in the description below. Until next time, keep flowing in serenity.